The Roborock Q5 Robot Vacuum offers a remarkable feature with its self-emptying dock, allowing for up to 7 weeks of hands-free cleaning, making maintenance a breeze. Utilizing advanced PreciSense LiDAR navigation, this vacuum provides highly accurate mapping capabilities, even allowing for three-dimensional map views and virtual home recreation. With an impressive maximum suction power of 2,700 pascals, the Roborock Q5 Plus is adept at lifting debris and pet hair from both hard floors and deep within carpets. The multi-plane floating main brush is designed to maintain close contact with the ground, ensuring deeper cleaning on uneven surfaces and effectively resisting hair tangles, ideal for pet owners. Equipped with a high-capacity battery and a 470-milliliter dustbin, this vacuum ensures long-lasting cleaning sessions capable of tackling most homes in a single run. Compatibility with Alexa adds a layer of convenience, allowing users to control the vacuum through voice commands for a truly hands-free experience.